Hey guys, it's Shayla. Happy Friday, aka Happy New Challenge Day. So I was thinking about what challenge to do, and I thought, well, this last weekend was Easter, and whenever I think of Easter, I think of Jesus, of course, and what he did for us on the cross. But I also think of spring and flowers and bunnies, and I was also thinking about how we're all stuck in quarantine, and we're eating 5,000 snacks a day, and we're all getting chubby.
First, you gotta do the truffle shuffle. Come on! Do it! Come on! Do it!
So what a better challenge to do than Chubby Bunny. If you've never done Chubby Bunny, you take a pack of marshmallows. They're not the jumbo ones, but they're not the tiny ones either. So take your marshmallows, and the whole goal is to stick as many in your mouth as possible, and you have to say Chubby Bunny after every time. So go ahead, and when you have completed this challenge, text me your videos for a chance to win free lunch delivered to your doorstep by Ryan. We need those videos by Thursday night, and my phone number is 562-387-7627. So let's get started. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Congratulations to Taylor Schwartz for her winning submission this past week. Check out her video and the incredible work she did. Also, Taylor, you have lunch coming your way.